श्री विश्वबंधु गुप्ता जी, चीफ एडिटर डेली तेज, प्रेसिडेंट ऑल इंडिया न्यूज़पेपर एडिटर्स कॉन्फ्रेंस and former member of parliament and former president of Indian Newspaper Society and president of Ballooning Club of India has passed away on June 21st. I got associated with Vishwabandhu ji in 1982 when Indira Gandhi ji, Prime Minister of India, sent him to the office of Chardi Kala to give me her message, and since then I was regularly in association with Vishwabandhu ji for last about 40 years. I saw him working as a president of Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee. Then I saw him working as a president of All India Newspaper Editors Conference very perfectly. He was a great leader, he was a great editor, and he was a great friend. And what I saw in him, a very noble soul, a very true man with a commitment to newspapers, his party and to his profession. When he was member of parliament, his performance is still remembered today, because since 1996 I have been associating him in the parliament, especially in the central hall, because I was member of Press Advisory Committee of the Lok Sabha in 1997 and 98. Since then, I have been regularly going to the parliament, and my last meeting with Vishwabandhu was in March 20 in the central hall, because he was regularly coming to the central hall, and I was observing almost all leaders, irrespective of the political affiliations, all leaders of all parties have been coming to Vishwabandhu to get his expert advice in the politics. He has been visiting daily the office of the All India Congress Committee. He has been coming to parliament daily. This was his routine. He used to come at 12 noon. After that, 2 to 3 hours he has been spending in the central hall, meeting the politicians, guiding them, and he was a source of inspiration for all of us, for journalists, for editors, and for all politicians. He was a true editor with a great mission, and he always guided us, inspired us for the service of the nation. Today, when he has left for his heavenly abode, we remember him, we will never forget him, and I can say that during my lifetime I will follow his footprints, what he has trained us to serve the country. And I must mention the role of his two brothers, Premji and Rameshji. Premji was first in India to manufacture printing machines for the newspaper industry. Similarly, Rameshji always have been cooperating with Vishwabandhu in his political journalistic duties, and moreover he himself was the, I think, largest publisher in India who published telephone directories of almost all the states, and in the printing area of India he did wonderful works. Today, when we are remembering Vishwabandhu ji and praying for his departed soul, I salute the great personality of my great leader and make a commitment to follow his path and to complete his mission during our lifetime. Thank you very much.